Hi, this is Jeff with Effective Learning Systems. I'm here to introduce you to our fantastic app called WiseGuide. This app gives you unlimited access to our entire library of best-selling, powerful, and life-changing audio programs. Now, if you're not yet familiar with our programs, that library includes hundreds of hours of prescriptive content that can help you improve your life in any way you choose. Now, I can make an hour-long video telling you all about these great programs and what makes them so powerful. In fact, I hope to get to it soon. But today, I'm going to simply focus on how to use the app. I'm confident that once you get the free download and start using it, you'll quickly realize this for yourself. So let's dive right in. When you first sign up, you'll have the opportunity to subscribe right away or continue with your 10-day free trial. For the purposes of this tour, let's continue with the 10-day free trial, which brings me to the home screen. This is where I start to get access to the entire library of audio programs. On the right, where it says All Titles, that's where I go to explore the complete library of titles. My current playlist in the top center will be the list of programs I've queued up to listen to on a daily basis. There's a tutorial to help me get started on the left there, and the menu, those three lines in the upper right corner, is for everything else I want to do. Let's start by tapping on All Titles. By default, this screen prompts me to choose a category. But as you can see, this pull-down menu at the top allows me to search by series, which I'll explain shortly, or to view all the titles. If I tap on All Titles, I can see the enormous wealth of titles that are available to me. It can be fun to scroll through this and browse titles to see what's there or find something new. I can also use the hidden search function by swiping down to reveal the search field. So in this case, I can find all the programs with money in the title. I can also use categories to focus in on my priorities. So let's go back to the category list. As you can see, our programs cover a vast breadth of topics. But in this case, I'll just choose weight loss as one of my priorities. Right down here should be weight loss. Right there, weight loss. So here I can see all the titles that are designed to help me lose weight. There are quite a few, but I'll use the descriptions to choose the titles that are the best fit for me. Let's go back to the category list and say that fears is another challenge for me. And let's say that as I scroll through here, the title Conquering Fears and Anxieties catches my eye. I just click on it to view the title and access the audio. As you can see, this title, like all our titles, includes multiple tracks. I can choose to listen to all the tracks or just one. It's up to me. I can control the volume and choose to fast forward or rewind. I'm in control. I can even set specific times throughout the week to listen to a title, and the app will remind me, and I'll show you that in just a little while. From here, I can also add the title to my playlist or my wish list. My playlist is intended for titles I want to be listening to on a regular basis right now. My wish list is a place to save titles I want to listen to eventually, but don't want it in my regular listening schedule right now. We'll look at those lists in just a second, but first, let's look at finding titles by series. Returning to the home page, I choose All Titles again. From the drop-down menu, I choose Series. Similar to categories, this organizes the titles by series. I can learn more about each series within the app by clicking on the More Info link, but to make a long story short, each series employs different strategies and techniques. For example, some are meditation-based, while others are affirmations-based. Also, they are designed to be listened to at different times. For example, while you sleep or while you drive. So browsing by category is another helpful way for you to find the titles that are just right for you. Now let's look at managing my playlist and my wish list. From the home page, I tap on My Current Playlist, and here are the titles I've added to my playlist. From here, I can choose a title to play or remove it from the list. And if I use the menu, I can also pull up my wish list. Again, here are the titles I've added to my wish list. From here, I can choose a title to listen to, move it to my current playlist, or remove it completely. Now let's go back to my current playlist and get into a title, Morning and Evening Programming. From here, I can begin playing a track, Evening Guided Meditation. I can also click Set to set the days and times I want to listen to this track. I can also set a reminder so the app will notify me when it's time. And then when I'm ready to make a change, I just swipe left to remove a title from my playlist. And I could do that for all the titles in my current playlist. I can even go into my wish list from the main menu and delete those as well, again with the left swipe. That should be enough to get you started. I can't emphasize enough how incredibly powerful these programs are and how they can change your life in profound ways. All you have to do is listen. And this app makes it easy, very easy to make that happen. So download the app today and get started now. You'll be very happy you did. Thank you for watching.